Well, I was sitting in the studio. No, I didn't have on that hat. No, I wasn't crying. Negative. I wasn't happy. Uh, well, I wasn't necessarily complaining, but I was pondering on why I didn't hit on the Kobe reverse pinches. And then it hit me. I got it. Maybe everybody's saving up their ducats to get the Kobe's, and that's why all of these kicks are sitting. I don't know. What's going on? You know who it is. MTIP. That is Mr. Think Impossible, where I challenge you to think that I'm possible. Today, thinkers, we're going to talk about 5 kicks that are currently sitting at your local shoe store. Let's get right into it. Well, we're going to go ahead and start with ladies first. We're going to have the Jordan 1 Satin Bred. Now, y'all already know what's going on with the Satin Breds. The Satin Breds are currently being very heavily disrespected, and you can pick these up in your local sneaker shop and store. You can go to Shoe Palace. I have not seen these at Dick's Sporting Good, but you can definitely go to JD Sports, Foot Locker, and other stores where you can have an opportunity to pick up the heavily disrespected Satin Breds. Embroidered rings logo, very clean kick, but the only downside is it is a women's exclusive only. So for all of the big footers, no, it's not for us. Well, for number 2, we might as well just keep the disrespect rolling with the Jordan 3 Off Nior, also known as the Oreos. Let's take a look at this heavily disrespected shoe that's sitting. Dope kick, another women's exclusive. Take a look at the suede we have on there, the elephant print, the black, the white, and take a look at that tongue. But unfortunately, once again, for all of my big-footed gentlemen, this is not available in our size. I think that is a dope silhouette. But what do I know? Now, fellas, I don't want you to think that the men's shoes are excluded from this list, because we have here a Jordan 1 Reimagined Royal Blue. And let me tell you, yes, you have decided to heavily disrespect this silhouette. Look at the blue, look at the hits. We have that suede combined with a beautiful nubuck. Personally, I think this is a dope kick. Well, it's not going up for what I think now, is it? Now, number 4, I know you heard this before. Oh, wrong video. So number 4 is going to be, of course, the Jordan 4 Medium Olives. Tell me what you think. These are also known as the Lawnmowers 4s, the Ninja Turtle 4s, the Swamp Water 4s, the Full Metal Jacket 4s, the Swampy Swamps 4s. But guess what? It's been another silhouette, a Jordan 4 Craft Medium Olive that has been heavily disrespected amongst the Jordan community. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful kick. I'm glad I picked it up. I'm glad this is sitting. So I thank you for making it accessible for I. And last but not least, we have coming in number 5. It's going to be a Jordan 3 Fear Pack. Oh, yes. Well, if you like 3s, you might want to consider copying these. But it's not up to me. They are readily accessible. You can go to your JD Sports, your Foot Locker. You can even go to Dick's Sporting Goods, and they have these sitting right on deck. Beautiful kick. I love the nubuck suede that is on this kick. I love the hits of orange, but hey, once again, this goes to show you how disrespectful the community is being to these kicks. And while I have you right there, while I have you, just relax, go on, tap that like button. Subscribe to your boy. Turn on that bell notification so that every time I drop a video, you will get notified. But let me know. Let me know. Do you like any of these kicks? Because right now you can go to your local shoe store and grab any one of these for retail, and the benefit, the plus side is right now you can get them for below retail. I've been saying this. Isn't this a wonderful time to be in the sneaker industry? This is a wonderful time. We have some of our favorite silhouettes that are just readily available. Guys, let me know if you're interested in those Kobe reverse Grinches as well. Guys and girls, I respect the love. I appreciate the support. I appreciate the views, and I appreciate you. We're out of here. Thanks for stopping by and checking out the content, and I love y'all. Catch you on the next one. We out. Yeah, we out of here. Like last year. Man, this year's almost over. But we out. Ooh, ooh. Silverback gorilla.